Exercise 9.5 Word Problems. Number 1. Out of his salary, Mr. K sir spends 2/5 on foods, 3/10 on rent, and 2/15 on clothing. What fraction of his salary does he spend on food, rent, and clothing? So here we have to find Mr. K sir spends how much total fraction of his salary on food, rent, and clothing. So total we have to find. So what we will do? We will add this all fractions. Okay. So first we will start with statement. Mr. K sir spends on food. How much he spends on food? 2/5 on foods. So we will write 2/5 on foods. Now on rent, how much he spends? 3/10 on rents. Then and 2/15 on clothing. So on clothing, 2/15. So we have to find the total fraction of salary. So we will write total fraction of his salary equal to how much? So what we will do? We will add these three fractions. So 2/5 plus 3/10 plus 2/15. So here we have to add these three, but all the denominator are here different, 5, 10, 15. So first we have to make the denominator same by taking LCM. So we take LCM of 5, 10, 15. 5, 10, 15. So we will start with 2 table. 2 5s are 10. Now 3 table. 5 we will carry down. 3 5s are 15. Then 5 1s are 5. So LCM equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. So LCM equal to 30. So we want denominator 30. So our first fraction is 2/5. So 2/5. So we want denominator here 30. So what we will multiply to 5 to get denominator 30? So see, 5 is there. So which numbers are left? 2 and 3. So we will multiply 2 3s are 6. So we will multiply 6 to 5. So 5 6 are 30. In numerator also we will multiply 6. So 2 6 are 12. Now next fraction is 3/10. 3/10. So we want here denominator 30. So what we will multiply to 10? See, 5 2s are 10. So which number is left? 3. So we will multiply 3. So in numerator also we will multiply 3 3s are 9. Now next fraction is 2/15. 2/15. So we want denominator 30. So see, 15 is there. So 5 3s are 15. So which number is left? 2. So we will multiply 2 in denominator. 15 2s are 30. In numerator also we will multiply 2. 2 2s are 4. Now we will write the fractions. So now we will write the fraction. So first fraction is 12/30 plus 9/30 plus 4/30. Now all the denominators are same. So one time we will write the common denominator 30. Then we have to add the numerator. So 12 plus 9 plus 4. So 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9, 21. 21 plus 4. 21 plus 4 upon 30 equal to how much? Equal to 25/30. See, 25/30. So this both will come in 5 table. Yes, So 5 5s are 25 and 5 7s are 5 6s are 30. So what is our answer? 5 upon 6. So Mr. Kesar spent 5 upon 6 salary on food, rent and clothing. Number 2. Ram walked a distance of 43 upon 4 km in 1 hour, while Ramesh walked a distance of 34 upon 3 km during the same period. Who walked faster and by how much? So we have to find here who walked faster and by how much. So how we will find? We will subtract these two fractions and we will find. So first we will start with the statement. Ram walked a distance equal to 43 upon 4 and Ramesh walked a distance equal to 34 upon 3. So we have to subtract 43 upon 4 minus 34 upon 3. So here both the denominators are different. So first we will make it same. So we take LCM of 4 and 3. So we will start with 2 table. 2 2s are 4 and 3 we will carry it down. 2 1s are 2 and now 3 table. 3 1s are 3. So LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So our first fraction is 43 upon 4. So 43 upon 4. So we want denominator here 12. So what we will multiply to 4? So 2 2s are 4. So which number is left? 3. So we will multiply 3 here in numerator also 3. So 4 3s are 12. 43 3s are, we will multiply 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. 129. Now second fraction is 34 upon 3. 34 upon 3. So we want here denominator 12. So 3 is there. So remaining which numbers are left? 2 and 2. So we will multiply 2 2s are 4. So we will multiply 4. 3 4s are 12. In numerator also 4. So 34 4s are 4 4s are 16. 1 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 136. Now both the denominator become same. So we will now write the fraction 136 upon 12 minus 129 upon 12. So we will write one time common denominator 12. 136 minus 129. Now we have to subtract. 6 minus 9 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 3. So this 3 will become 2 and this 6 will become 16. Now 16 minus 9. 7. 2 minus 2 0. 1 minus 1 0. So our answer equal to 7 upon 12. So who walked faster? So Ram walked 129 upon 12 kilometer and Ramesh walked 136 upon 12 kilometer. So both the denominator are same. So we can compare 129 and 136. Which one is greater? 136. So Ramesh walked faster. And how much he walked? 7 upon 12. So here we will write statement. Ramesh walked 7 upon 12 kilometer faster than Ram. 3. 5 upon 12 of the population of a city are women. 2/9 are children and the rest are men. Find the fraction of a man in the city. We have to find the fraction of man in the city. So population of women equal to 5/12. Population of children equal to 2/9, and we have to find population of man equal to how much. Here in question total population of city is not given. Okay, with help of total population of city only we can able to find fraction of man. So what we will do, we will suppose population of total population of city equal to 1. We will make a suppose total population of city equal to 1. So what we will do, we will add population of women and population of children, and whatever answer we are getting that we will subtract from 1 to, so we will get population of man. So our fractions are 5/12 plus 2/9. This we will add. Here both the denominators are different, so we will take LCM of 12 and 9. So we will start from 2 table. 2 6 are 12 and 9 we will carry it down. 2 3 are 6. Then 9 table, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Then again 3 table, 3 1s are 3. So LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So our first fraction is 5/12. So 5/12. So what we will multiply to get denominator 36. So 12 is there. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So which number is left? 3 is left. So we will multiply 3. In denominator also we will in numerator also we will multiply. 5 3s are 15. Now second fraction is 2/9. So 2/9. So we want here denominator 36. So 3 3s are 9. So which numbers are left? 2 and 2. So 2 2s are 4. So 9 4s are 36. In numerator also we will multiply. 2 4s are 8. So both the denominator becomes same. So we will write one time common denominator 36, and now we will add 15 plus 8 equal to 23/36. Okay, so we got population of women and population of children. We add that answer is 23/36. Now we have to find population of man. So we supposed total population of city equal to 1. So we will subtract from 1 23/36. Here denominator no number is there, so we will write here 1. So we will take now 1 and 36 LCM. So we will start from 2 table. So 2 18s are 36. Then 2 9s are 36. Then 3 in 3 table 9 will come. 3 3s are. Now 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. So LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. So 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. So now fraction is 1/1. So we want denominator here 36. So 1 is there. So we will multiply 36. 1 36 the 36. So in numerator also 36. 36/36. Now second fraction is 23/36. So 23/36. We want denominator here 36. So we will multiply 1. So 23/36. So both the denominator are same. 36/36 minus 23/36. So we will write one time common denominator 36. Then we will subtract numerator 36 minus 23. So 36 minus 23. So 6 minus 3 3. 3 minus 2 1. So 13 upon 36. So population of man equal to 13 upon 36. Now number 4. A tailor uses 82 upon 3 meters of thread from a new reel. If the length of a reel is 80 meters, find the length of the thread left in the reel. Okay, so total length of the reel is 80 meters and the tailor used how much meter? 82 upon 3 meters. So we have to find how much thread, length of the thread left in the reel. So what we will do? We will subtract. So answer, tailor used thread. How much he used? 82 upon 3 meter. Length of the reel. So length of the reel equal to 80 meters. And we have to find length of the thread equal to how much? Thread left equal to how much? So we will subtract. So 82 upon 3 minus 80. So here no denominator is there. So we will write here 1. So we will take now LCM of 3 and 1. So it will come in 3 table. 3 ones are 3. So our LCM equal to 3. So first fraction is 82 upon 3. So we want here denominator 3. So we will multiply 1. So 82 ones are 82. Now second fraction is 80 upon 1. So we want here denominator 3. So what we will multiply? 3. 1 3 is 3. And in numerator also 3. So 83 is 240. So our fractions are 240 upon 3 minus 82 upon 3. So we will write one common denominator 3. So 240 minus 82. So we will subtract 240 minus 82. So 0 minus 2 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 4. This 4 will become 3 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 2, 8. 3 minus 8 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 2. This 2 will become 1 and this 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 8, 5 and this 1 will carry it down. So 158 upon 3. So the length of the reel left in the length of the reel length of the thread left in reel equal to 158 upon 3 meters. Number 5. Suman gives 1 upon 5 of a chocolate bar to Anand and 3 upon 8 of it to Meenakshi. What fraction of chocolate is left with Suman? So we have to find what fraction is left with Suman. So answer, Suman gives chocolate to Anand equal to 1 upon 5 and chocolate to Meenakshi equal to 3 upon 8 and we have to find fractions of chocolate left with Suman equal to how much? So here total how many chocolate bar is Suman is having, that not given in question. So here also we will suppose Suman having 1 bar of chocolate. So first we will add this 1/5 and 3/8. Okay, chocolates given to Anand and Meenakshi, and whatever answer we are getting, that we will subtract from 1. So we will know how much bar of chocolate left with Suman. So fraction is 1/5 plus 3/8. So now we will make the denominator same by taking LCM 5 and 8. So we will start with 2 table. In 2 table 5 will not come, so we will write carry same 5. So 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2. Now we will move to 5 table. 5 1s are 5. So LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So here our first fraction is 1/5. So we want your denominator 40. So what we will multiply to 5 to get 40? So 5 is there. So remaining we will multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 5 8s are 40. In numerator also we will multiply 8. So 1 8s are 8. Now next fraction is 3/8. So 3/8. We want denominator 40. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So which number is left? 5. So we will multiply in denominator 5. 8 5s are 40. In numerator also we will multiply 5. 3 5s are 15. Now both the denominator become same. So we will write one common denominator 40. Then we will add 8 plus 15 equal to 23. 23/40. So now we will subtract from 1. So 1 minus 23/40. So here denominator is not there. So we will write here 1. So now LCM of 1 and 40. So 2 20s are 40. 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10. Then 5 1s are 5. So LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So our first fraction is 1/1. So we will want here denominator 40. So with 1 we will multiply 40. So 1 40 is a 40. In numerator also 40. So 1 40 is a 40. So second fraction is 23/40. So 23/40. So we want here denominator 40. So what we will multiply? 1. So 23 1s are 23. Now both the denominator become same. So 40/40 minus 23/40. So we will write one common denominator 40. So 40 minus 23 equal to. So we will subtract 40 minus 23. So 0 minus 3 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 4. So this 4 will become 3 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 3 7 and 3 minus 2 1. So 17/40. So 17/40 parts of chocolate is left with Suman.